Welcome back, garden enthusiasts and potato lovers. In today's video, we're discussing the importance of hilling your red potatoes. We'll explain how hilling protects your potatoes from sunlight and encourages tuber formation. Let's get started. Hilling is the process of mounding soil around the base of your potato plants as they grow. This simple technique provides several key benefits for your potato crop. One of the main reasons to hill your potato plants is to protect the developing tubers from sunlight. When tubers are exposed to sunlight, they turn green and produce a toxic compound called solanine. By hilling soil around the plants, you keep the tubers covered and protected from direct sunlight. Hilling also encourages the formation of more tubers. As you add soil around the stems of the potato plants, new roots can form along the buried portions of the stems. These roots will develop into additional tubers, increasing your overall potato yield. Regular hilling ensures that the plants have plenty of room to produce a healthy crop of potatoes. Hilling is easy and can be done in a few simple steps. First, wait until your potato plants are about 6 to 8 inches tall. That's the perfect time to start hilling. Next, use a hoe or your hands to gently mound soil around the base of each plant. Make sure to cover the lower stems and leaves, but leave the top few inches of the plant exposed. Hilling is an essential practice for growing healthy and productive red potatoes. By protecting your tubers from sunlight and encouraging more tuber formation, you'll enjoy a bountiful harvest. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll cover more gardening tips and techniques. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips and eco-friendly ideas. Happy gardening!